Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to set up and use Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 Warp VPN on your PC or your laptop. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to set up Cloudflare's 1.1.1 Warp on your PC, well, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up any browser here, and you want to go to your URL section at the very top, and just type in the following. It's going to be 1.1.1.1. Now, go and just press enter. Now, this will redirect you to Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1. Now, from here, you want to go and just install this, the appropriate one. So if I'm using Windows PC, let's go and choose Windows. And from here, you just need to wait for a few seconds. And once you do see that, you go and just click on your installation file, or you go and click on the folder itself and double click on the installation file. Now, this might take a while, so just wait for the installation to complete here. But once it's actually done, you should be able to start using it. So let's just wait for it to complete. Now, once you do see this pop up here, you go and just choose the private browsing here. You don't have to, in this case, enroll this device. It's going to click agree to terms and continue. And as you can see, now have the option to start connecting. Now, the thing with this one is if you go to the bottom right of your screen, you should see the following options. So you have the Cloudflare One client. You go and right click on it. You could go and choose the mode option here. And also, if you want to connect, this is how you actually access that. Now, inside the app here, you have a bunch of options. You have connectivity, settings, profile, and about. Now, if you want to change a few things, like, for example, changing your mode here, so you could go and choose either DNS only or DNS only for TLS or HTTPS or traffic in DNS. Now, you can also disable all wired networks and also disable all Wi-Fi networks here if you want to choose one of them. Now, I also have the option to view your profile. Obviously, this is kind of like a private thing. You'll be able to see your keys. And also, if you want to see your connectivity here, for example, what's your Warp tunnel protocol here, DNS protocol here, it's turned off. But if you want to start connecting, you can just go to the homepage, click on connect. It's going to establish your connection. So just wait for a few seconds. Now, once you go back in our connectivity here, as you can see, it's now using the following. So DNS over Warp here, as you can see, your connection status, your Warp tunnel protocol, and your Cloudflare data center, as you can see right now. You can also reset your keys if you want, but that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.